In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access apps. Then hit App Cloner over here and select Agree and Continue in Statement of Use pop-up. Following that, you need to tap on one of your available apps that you wish to clone and use gray switcher next to Create App Clone to activate it. Then wait for your app to be cloned, and when it's ready, manage those two options. You can rename your app clone, and hit save, and also tap on when using quick functions to apply one of those options. Always ask or open original app. When you're done, just close devices settings and check your app. As you can see, mine was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, you can go back to exactly the same settings and use blue switcher next to Create App Clone. Then hit Delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!